kiddies. Okay, this is gonna fail because I'm a dumbass at this. My mic's really quiet, so wee. Fuck. Wee. I have no idea what I'm doing. So save me, please. Fuck. Fuck. Wee. Fuck. I'm gonna be swearing a lot in this because, bitch, I can't do anything right. Wee. Fuck. When you're trying to help, you're fucking happy, but it just don't go to plan. Or I can break this. Okay, kiddies, I'm gonna show you around my fucking fabulous place. Well, it's not mine, it's hers, but it's still mine. Right. Here's the fabulous ferret statue. It failed, but it's still fabulous anyway. Okay, I'm gonna read you some fabulous stories. Let's read Slendy X Reader by my pappy, because why not? Right. After another day of dealing with Vexy Rexy, Mikhail, however you pronounce it, and her dad started typing to each other on Skype as usual. Mikhail was a person who had more than 5 kiddies until she found out how sexy Slendy could be. Watching I eat pasta for breakfast, she instantly fell in love with sexy Slendy, even making a cereal for him and making a cereal of 10 counts for her dad as well, which includes a butt plug page of manga. It was 3:37 AM when she suddenly heard tapping noises on the window. She was shit scared, thinking it was Vexy Rexy and Dolly Vidal coming to get her and kill her with Yuri. She didn't answer the window tapping, and instead she ignored it by blasting Bendy and the Ink Machine remix while singing her heart out. The tapping got louder and she couldn't ignore it anymore, so she went up and saw the window and saw nothing there, but went back to her bed, kept thinking there's Vexy and Dolly Vidal still. Oh my god, that's just so fucking fabulous, I swear. Fucking cried laughing when I read it. Okay, who the fuck are you? Whee! Okay, I'm gonna do some house tours. Here's my house. It's shit. It's too posh and fancy, like my accent. Even though my accent fucking tastes shit. Yeah, exactly what she said. Yummy. And here's my pappy's house. I put the signs here because no one should fucking enter, because it's her house. Okay, here's her shit. Basically the fridge and that, I think. I don't know. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And I just broke her window. And here's her Yowie virus. Okay. Well, you little shit, stop following me. Do you want this fish? Oh yeah, I can't give it. Alright. I'm gonna show you my fabulous pool. I got backstrokes for days, and like in her video, I don't know, but yeah, she deleted it, but in her video we made like this fucking random ass thing that's got a torch in that. Oh yeah, I forgot about my Yowie and Linda corner. Oh my god, bitch, yes, let me just sit in here and fucking contemplate about life. Whee! Fuck,